Praise the Lord. I can see a lot of people continue to share this vision, continue to share this message. It's a message that I believe it should reach the whole world because God is speaking to our generation. God is speaking to our nation. God bless you. You can do it. Just be relaxed, be at home.
That we may be saved, that we may be healed, that we may be free. You are holy, cry, holy my Lord. Cry. You are holy, cry, holy my Lord. Murimu chene, chene baba. Murimu chene, chene baba. Murimu chene, chene baba. Murimu chene. The ancient of ages commands the wind in all directions, that we may be saved, that we may be healed, that we may be free. You are holy, holy my Lord. You are holy, holy my Lord. Murimu chene, chene baba. Murimu chene, chene baba. Murimu chene, chene baba. Murimu chene, muchene baba. Murimu chene, muchene baba. You are holy, holy my Lord. You are holy, holy my Lord. Holy my Lord, holy my Lord, holy my Lord, holy my Lord. The ancient of ages commands the lightning in all its markings. That's why you lift your hands up and sing holy to the Lord of Lords, King of Kings, the ancient of ages. Mutana we kare kare. Tauya wo dzinza rese baba, tauya wo musha wese baba, tauya wo nyika yese baba. Tinoti muchene, 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 muchene. Ukavura pana novara, ukavara pana novura. Chikakarara, chamangurangura, mutekwa tekwa, shumba yerudzi rwekwa Juda. Munoitwei nani? sai mbira dzakauya kunoku
Mutsvene Baba, Mwari mutsvene,
Mutsvene Baba, Mutsvene Baba, Mutsvene Baba, Mutsvene Baba, Mutsvene Baba, Mutsvene Baba,
Praise the Lord. Even as we witness Cyclone Idai, even as we witness so many natural disasters, atinete kuudza Mwari kuti muri mutsvene. Tinoramba tichingoziva kuti ndiye mutsvene in all of it. I love you so much. That was my brother Amos Mahendere. You know, it was so amazing, and you know, we had a good time working on this song. And when we worked on this song, these were the days when the cyclone Idai was, you know, destroying us, ripping us apart. But in all of it, we said we can still go back before God and say, you are holy, you are holy, you are holy.